Dear students, in the last lecture we have studied about the potential difference. So this is class 10th. So that is, we have studied in the last lecture, that is called the potential difference. Potential difference between the 2 points is the unit charge move from one point to the other. So the total work done, that is on the unit charge to bring it from B to A, that is called the potential difference between the points B and point A. So that is equal to PAP. So it is provided by the battery, so which is donated by the, that is one short length, that is one long, that is negative, this is a positive. So ये आपके पास क्या है negative, ये आपके पास क्या है positive. So this is a wrong. If we make two lines of same length, so this is a wrong, this is a right way for the cell or the battery. So when there is a potential difference across the conductor, so there is a flow of electric charge. Electric charge is basically the electrons, which are the free electrons flowing from higher potential to the lower potential. So that is called the electric current. So on this base there is a Ohm's law, so which is given by the Ohm. So that is called the Ohm's law. So we take a conductor AB. So we take a conductor AB. So current flows only when there is a circuit is closed. When the circuit is closed, so we apply a battery. So that is a negative terminal, this is a positive terminal. So there is a potential difference which is measured in the volts donated by V. So there is a key. When the key is pressed, the circuit is closed. So the current flows through the conductor. So current flows through the conductor. So this is a potential, so current I, that is flow from the higher potential to the lower potential. So in this case, so direction of current is always the flow of positive charge. Positive charge. So that is by convention. So in the long times we consider there is a positive charge which flow from the higher potential to the lower potential. So in this same case we also today we take the conventional current. So conventional current is flow of the positive charge from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. So this is a flow, but actually there is a flow of electrons. So there is actually a flow of electrons. So it carries the negative charge. So that is opposite to the flow of the positive charge. So electrons always flow opposite to the positive charge. So actually electrons are flowing, but we consider the flow of positive charge from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. But actually electrons are flowing from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. So this is donated by the dotted lines. So this is called the electronic current. So this is called the electronic current. So we consider, so current only flows in the conductor whenever there is a potential difference across the conductor. So whenever there is a potential difference across the conductor. So on this basis Ohm's law gives, so there is a statement, Ohm's law states that the current flowing through the conductor that is basically the flow of positive charge. So the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across the conductor. States that the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across the conductor. So I is proportional to V. So V is the potential difference across B, I is the current flowing through the conductor. So I is proportional to V. So that means V is proportional to I. So potential difference across the conductor is proportional to the current flowing through the conductor, provided the condition like pressure and temperature remains constant. Provided the conditions of temperature and pressure remains the constant. So V is proportional to I. So we remove the proportionality sign. V is equal to Ri. So where R is the constant of proportionality. So R is equal to the constant of proportionality. So R is equal to V over I. So where R is the resistance of the conductor, V is the potential difference across the conductor, and I is the current. So resistance, which is measured in the ohms, given on the scientist name ohms. So V, that is on the volt, and current on the ampere. So these are all scientist names. So ohm symbol is ohm, V volt, so current, that is ampere. So ohms is equal to, that is equal to volt over ampere. So this is called the Ohm's law. So which is applicable to all the ohmic resistance. So resistance is the basically the abstract